Hello everyone, I am going to explain exercise 1.4, and in this exercise today we are going to start from question number 18. And students, we have to solve this given equation by Shunya Samya Samuchay method. So first we have to see that which meaning of this sutra is applicable for this question. So in this particular question, fourth and fifth, both meaning of this application are used. What is the fourth meaning of application? That is, fourth meaning is difference, sum of numerators. So sum of both the fractions, sum of numerator of both the fractions. So here the numerators is 3x plus 6 and here the numerator is 5x plus 4. So when we add, orally we will add, how much we are going to get? 8x plus 10. In the same way, in denominator also, if we add denominator of both the fractions, then again we are going to get 8x plus 10. So the sum of numerator of both the fraction is equal to the sum of denominator of both the fraction. So fourth meaning of the sutra is also applicable here. Now we will move to the fifth meaning of the application. In fifth meaning, difference between the numerator and denominator of one fraction. So difference between them. So when you will find the difference, you are going to get just subtract them. So you will obtain 3x minus 3. In the same way, here you will obtain 3x minus 3. So difference is also same. So conclusion is both meaning we have to show in this question, and two answers we are going to obtain for the x. So I am just doing here. First we will move to the fourth meaning of the sutra, that is sum of numerators. So we will start to write here sum of numerators of both fractions. So we'll add the numerators. So what are the numerators here? 3x plus 6, that is of left hand side numerator, and right hand side numerator is 5x plus 4. So that will give us 8x plus 10. In the same way, we'll find out the sum of denominators. So sum of denominators of both fractions is equal to, so what are the denominators? That is 6x plus 3, then plus 2x plus 7. So when we'll add, again we are going to obtain 8x plus 10. Since both the sums are equal, so fourth meaning is applicable. So we will write here, since these sums are equal, so solution of given equation is sum equal to 0. So what is the sum here? 8x plus 10 equal to 0. That will give us, we'll shift this 10 in other side, so it's going to be minus 10. Then we want x, so we'll shift this 8 also in this side. So since this 8 is in multiply with x, so this 8 will go in divide. So we'll obtain minus 10 upon 8. Now cancel it by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. So we'll obtain minus 5 upon 4. So this is the one value of x. Now we'll move to the fifth meaning of the application. In that we have to find out the difference between the numerator and denominator of left hand side. So we'll write here difference between the numerator and denominator of left hand side. So when you want to find out the difference, you can subtract numerator minus denominator, or you can subtract denominator minus numerator. It's not a problem. So here I am subtracting denominator minus numerator, that is 6x plus 3, then minus 3x plus 6. Now we'll open the bracket in next step, that is 6x plus 3. Now when we'll open the bracket here, sign will change. So it's going to be minus 3x and minus 6. So students, this 6x and this 3x, both are means they have opposite signs, so they will get subtracted. So 6x minus 3x is positive 6x because 6 is greater. Now 3 and minus 6 is minus 3 because plus minus minus and sign of big number. So we will obtain here minus 3. In the same way, we will find out the difference between numerator and denominator of the right hand side. So we will write here, same thing again, difference between numerator and denominator of right hand side. So again we have to find the difference. So this time I am subtracting numerator minus denominator. So it's our choice, we can subtract any from any, it's not a problem. We should try to get the same difference. So when we subtract here, we have to change the sign first. We have to open the bracket, for that the sign will change inside. So 5x and plus 4 as it is without any change. So since I am going to open the bracket and minus is outside, so sign will change here. So we will get here minus 2x and then minus 7. Now students, 5x and minus 2x. 5x and minus 2x is 3x, and plus 4 and minus 7 will give us minus 3. Now since the difference is same, so in the same way here, just see what we wrote here, these sums are equal. So solution of given equation is sum equal to 0. So this time we will keep difference equal to 0. So we will write here, since both the differences are same, so solution of given equation is, we will keep the difference equal to 0, that is 3x minus 3 equal to 0. That will give us 3x is equal to, this 3 is in negative, so it will shift here, so it becomes positive. Positive 3. And now this 3 will also go here, so 3 is in multiply, so when it will shift down, it will divide. So we will get here, which implies x is equal to 3 upon 3. So when you will divide, you will get answer 1. So two answers we obtained. First answer is minus 5 upon 4 and second answer is 1. So we will write here in answer. In answer we obtained x is equal to 1, as well as we obtained minus 5 upon 4. So I hope students this question is clear to you. So in this question, fourth meaning of the formula and fifth meaning of the formula both were applicable. That's why we had shown both methods, and from both the meaning we obtained one answer. So collectively x have two values, one is plus 1, the other one is minus 5 upon 4. So this question is completed. So students, if you have any problem or any suggestions, you can write in comment so that we can clear out and we can improve ourselves. Thank you.